Hey there, kindergartners and first graders. It's Miss Bauer here with Paden's Makerspace, and I'm here to tell you about your next Makerspace challenge. Are you ready? Your next challenge is going to come to you in a bag like this, and in your bag, you're going to have everything you need to do the Making Sound Challenge. That's right. In this challenge, you're going to be asked to try to make your own musical instrument so you can explore sound. You could either make a guitar, or you can make a maraca or shaker. And I even have some instructions if you want to make an instrument out of paper, like a washboard or a pan flute. So like everything in Makerspace, you must always make a plan first. If you want, this could just be thinking about what kind of instrument you want to make first, and then gathering all your supplies and getting started. Watching the videos, or maybe making a sketch on a piece of paper. In your bag, you're going to find a cardboard tube with some rubber bands and some straws. This is for making a guitar. Now you can use this to make the guitar, or you can use any kind of box or container or lid to make your guitar body. But if you don't want to, you could just use this tube for your guitar body. And the straws are going to be your pickups, or what's going to lift the strings. The strings are going to be these rubber bands. So really, you could wrap these rubber bands around anything in your house to make your guitar. Like if you have an old Kleenex box, so here's a Ziploc baggie box, and here I just put the rubber bands around it, and I used a marker for my pickup to lift the strings. And listen to this. So if you decide you want to make the guitar, you should make a plan. You should plan whether or not you want to make a cardboard tube guitar, or if you want to make a guitar out of something you have in your house. You can use the rubber bands provided, you can use the straw pickups that are provided, or you can find something in your house. Like this cork made this guitar sound a lot better, so I used the cork instead. So you can basically use anything in your house that could lift the strings up off of the body of the guitar to get a cool sound, and that's something that you can explore. If you decide you want to make a shaker, you need to pull out the little plastic egg from your bag and fill it with whatever you want to make a great sound. A lot of things can sound good inside this little shaker. I gave you some beans and some pasta, but if you have something else around your house, like little Legos would make a good sound, maybe some cereal or rice, anything you have, that's something that you can plan when you're in your planning stage. So decide what you want to put in your egg, and then once it's filled with whatever you want to put in it, you just need to close it up, snap it closed, and tape it closed so the beans don't fall out. I gave you guys some nice washi tape. It's got nice little decorations on it, or you could just use the plain masking tape from your Makerspace kit to close up your egg. So this one's covered up with masking tape, and then I used my markers and I gave it some designs. But you also could use the washi tape or decorative tape or duct tape or any kind of tape to make it have a nice design. And then if you want your maraca or your shaker to have like a handle, like what you see like on a maraca, you just need to take the spoons that are in your bag and put it on each side of your egg, and you need to tape it down, and then you'll have like a little handle like this one. Ooh, I wonder what's in that one. Ooh, I wonder what's in that one. If you want to make one of the other options, the washboard or the pan flute, all you need is the piece of paper provided in your bag and some tape. If you want to make the pan flute, you need to actually roll paper into little tubes like this, and then tape them together, and then cut them to be different sizes. That's important because you can get different sounds by the length of the tube. If you decide you want to make the washboard, which it could be really fun to make great rhythm, all you need is the piece of paper, and you just need to do an accordion fold. That's when you fold it down and then flip the paper and then fold the other way. So here's one I've already folded. So all you would do is fold it down and then flip and then fold the other way, and just keep flipping and folding until you've made an accordion folded piece of paper. When you're all done, you just need to stick this onto like a lid with your tape to hold it still, or a clipboard works good. And then you just need to grab a pencil, or you can use the little stick I provided in your bag to make that rhythm. Now, you might want to experiment with how big your folds are, because that's going to change the sound. So I cannot wait to see how you explore sound. So make sure you share what you did with your teacher. Until next time, Paden Pelicans.